Hi, my name is Victor and welcome to my second milestone video. And my project is on a three-wheeled robot controlled by a Kinect sensor, and I'll give you a demonstration of what I've done so far. So right now I'm using the arrow keys on my laptop to control the motion of the robot. And to do this I had to use SSH to link my laptop to the Raspberry Pi. And this allows me to access the command line on the Raspberry Pi to run programs that way. So to complete my second milestone, I had to learn a couple of new things, such as how to use a motor controller. So this motor controller right here receives signal from the Raspberry Pi to control the two motors. And it also powers the two motors in place of the Raspberry Pi with the 12-volt battery pack, because the Raspberry Pi can't handle a 12-volt power source. The most it can handle is a 5-volt, or else it burns out. Another thing I had to learn was how to program in Python and use the command line on a Raspberry Pi. And some problems I encountered were every time I would run the program, the Raspberry Pi would reboot automatically. Because before, I was powering the Raspberry Pi through the motor controller, which has a 5-volt output, but the voltage would fluctuate wildly every time the motors move. So to solve this problem, I had to connect the battery in parallel to Raspberry Pi and a motor controller. And I had to use a buck converter to convert the 12-volt power source to a 5-volt so I can power the Raspberry Pi safely. And the next step for this project is I want to attach the Kinect sensor over here and start programming the Kinect sensor to control the robot. Thank you.